Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. All links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. This video reflects my personal experience using Financial Engines. Join us as we explore the Financial Engines Retirement Planner. In this comprehensive overview, we'll delve into the platform's core functionalities, discuss who can benefit most from its features, and share my first-hand experience utilizing this tool. Financial Engines primarily caters to individuals seeking personalized investment management and retirement planning advice without the burden of constant self-management. It's especially valuable for those aiming to optimize retirement savings while mitigating potential risks. A standout feature is the comprehensive investment management service. Financial Engines employs sophisticated algorithms to craft individualized portfolios tailored to your specific goals, risk tolerance, and overall financial picture. The platform doesn't just set it and forget it, it continuously monitors and adapts your investments to maintain your targeted trajectory, making it perfect for those desiring professional oversight without the need for constant account monitoring. The platform's emphasis on personalized advice is another significant advantage. Financial Engines provides access to financial advisors who can offer guidance through the complexities of retirement planning, including strategic tax planning and Social Security optimization. Transparency is also a key strength. Financial Engines clearly presents projected retirement income potential, anticipated investment returns, and potential adjustments needed if you're not quite meeting your goals. This transparency empowers users, particularly those nearing retirement, to make informed decisions regarding savings and investment strategies. For those who appreciate in-depth analysis, the tool offers comprehensive financial reports and analyses, providing a crystal-clear view of your overall financial health. Another noteworthy feature is the Retirement Checkup, offering a quick assessment of your retirement preparedness. This is particularly useful for those just beginning to consider retirement and needing a snapshot of their current standing. Financial Engines also provides a wealth of educational resources, including informative articles and webinars, designed to enhance users' understanding of the financial landscape without overwhelming them with technical jargon. In conclusion, Financial Engines is a superb choice for those seeking a hands-off yet robust and personalized retirement planning experience. It's particularly well-suited for individuals who value expert advice coupled with advanced portfolio management technology. If this aligns with your retirement planning needs, explore the links in the description for more details.